On your mark. Get set. Go. Now is your chance to own this awesome pool home. Waterfront, workshop and garage, no HOA or CDD, and a great location in Brandon. Call off the search. Brandon pool home with large living areas, great for living and entertaining. This lovely 2-story home features all the living areas downstairs and generously sized bedrooms upstairs. Large living/dining room combo on one side of the house and a family room with fireplace on the other. Family room is tiled and leads to the kitchen. Kitchen has lots of counter space and offers a view to the pool outside. There is also a half bath downstairs for your convenience. Upstairs has nice sized bedrooms and 2 baths. Master is spacious with private bath. No carpet here. All tile or laminate floors throughout the house. What a great outdoor space. Talk about Florida living. Start planning your summer parties now. Extended screened lanai, large yard and pool. With a waterfront lot too. Garage offers a workshop and workbench for space to get creative and work on any projects you might have. All of this in a CDD and HOA free area. Bring your boat for storage and don't worry about any extra fees. Brandon location puts you near everywhere you need to be, highways, shopping, dining, schools, YMCA, hospital, you name it. Enjoy this area just outside of Tampa, where you are still a short trip from all the local attractions in Tampa, Orlando, Lakeland, and Sarasota. Hurry! This one will not last long. Here today.